Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Creator with Zoho Inventory. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to build custom applications that connect directly with your inventory management system, allowing you to automate workflows and create tailored solutions for your business needs. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once the page loads, log in using your Zoho Inventory account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has the inventory data you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Inventory dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a 9-dot icon. This is the Zoho app menu, which gives you access to all the different Zoho applications available in your ecosystem. Go ahead and click on it to open the menu. A list of various Zoho apps will appear. Scroll down through this menu until you locate an option labeled Zoho Creator. You'll find it listed under the Business Processes unit, which groups together productivity and workflow tools. Click on Zoho Creator to proceed. You'll be redirected to the account setup page for Zoho Creator. Here you'll see a button that says, Let's Go. Click on it to begin the guided setup process. This setup is designed to help you configure Creator based on your specific business requirements. The first question you'll encounter asks what you'd like to create today. You'll see three main choices: internal tool, portal, or a core system. Select the app category that best matches what you're trying to build. This helps Zoho Creator understand the framework you need. Next, you'll be asked what this tool will help you with. This is essentially asking about your pain point or use case. Choose from options like approval process app, order management, sales management, tracking app, employee self-service, or admin panel/dashboard. Pick the one that aligns with your business goal. The setup will then ask about your current solution to this pain point. You'll see options such as pen, paper, or manual, spreadsheet, custom-built app, or another software. Select the option that describes how you're currently handling this process. This information helps tailor the setup experience. After that, you'll need to enter your role or job description. This allows Zoho Creator to customize recommendations and features based on your position within the organization. For the final step, enter the name of the app you want to create and choose a color theme that fits your branding or preference. You can also select a data source sample or import existing data to test the app you're building right away. Once you complete these steps, Zoho Creator is instantly integrated with your Zoho Inventory account upon signing up. You now have access to a powerful app building platform that connects seamlessly with your inventory data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.